everyone, great to see you again. Today we're making stuffed chicken cheese buns and soy pork buns. Now I'm not talking about the Asian bao steamed buns. If you want to make those, just hit the link, it'll take you to my video that shows you how to make those. These are actually brioche burger buns that we're going to stuff with a chicken filling and the other one with a pork filling. You are going to be making the dough, so we're going to be using a bit of muscle, no machines in this one. You are going to be making both fillings, and once you've done the fillings, you are going to stuff them, roll them, and bake them. Once you bake them, you get to eat them. Guys, sit back, let me show you how we cook these. I really enjoy making those buns. I always love working with dough. Guys, these buns are delicious. I ate 2 right out of the oven. They're fantastic. But you don't have to eat them right away. You can store them for another day, fridge or freezer, depends how long you want to store them for. But out of the oven, they're out of this world. Guys, once again, thank you for joining us today. Thank you to the new subscribers for subscribing to our channel. And thank you for all the comments and feedbacks we received. Keep them coming. We'd love to hear from you. If you really enjoy this channel, don't forget to subscribe underneath. Give us those likes. Ring that bell so we can notify you as soon as we post a video. Guys, have a great week. Stay safe, and we'll see you. Bye-bye.